Get ready to paint your student life with a touch of London charm at the Valentine Student Accommodation, a serene, leafy escape with a dash of city buzz just a stone's throw away. Whether you're into private studios with a view or prefer the camaraderie of ensuite rooms and shared apartments, the Valentine has the perfect spot for you. Whichever you choose, you can be assured of a heated room with cozy bed, ample storage, a dedicated desk area, high-speed Wi-Fi, and lots of natural light, along with your own private, well-appointed bathroom and fully equipped shared or private kitchen. But the fun doesn't end there. Bond with buddies at the resident lounge, show off your ping pong skills in the gaming area, or simply chill in the private courtyard garden. In addition, the property also features 24/7 CCTV and a mobile phone entry system. Laundry facilities keep you fresh, and the cherry on top, all bills included to keep that student budget happy. Situated just a 6-minute drive from London Academy of Management Sciences and a mere 10 minutes tube ride from the University of East London campus. The famous Valentine's Park is practically your backyard, and when you're craving top-notch eats, City Kitchen and Caraway have your taste buds covered. And for those memory-making moments, the British Museum and London Eye are just around the corner. Your classy living experience is just a click away. Don't miss out on the Valentine vibe. Head over to amberstudent.com and book your stay today.